Good morning, it is 26th of August, it's Friday, we are here, we've just woken up after our first night at the Salisbury Camping and Caravan Club site. It's our first time at one of these sites, as we've said before. Decent night's sleep, woke up though and everything is really wet for some reason. This is wet on the inside, and if you have a look, I don't know if you can see.
I can see.
Oh, it's never done that before. It is cooler outside, that is a fact, and it's also we are quite exposed here. We feel like we're really high up, and therefore maybe the air is colder and it creates more condensation and stuff. But it's also, it's been warm on the inside. This sun's really bright. Let me get into some decent shadow. Yeah, so it's a bit hard to understand why, but nothing else is getting wet. It just seems to be the roof. The downside is it's going to be soaking tomorrow morning when we have to pack it up, so not looking forward to that. Anyway, today we are going to spend a little bit of time around the morning at the campsite, going to cook a nice breakfast, and then we're going to take Max to a swimming pool with a water slide and stuff, and then we're going to head into Salisbury and see some stuff around the city, so join us. And what's the verdict?
Not as push button, had to keep pushing it to keep it going. Not as good as
Caravan and Motorhome Clubs. Say it.
not as good as Caravan and Motorhome. Sorry. And they're not as clean.
They're not.
No, they are, but they're they are and they're not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you for your verdict.
Thank you.
Breakfast time. Suzanne is going to explain the yummy breakfast that we are having this morning.
I've not got a clue what I'm doing really.
What's the plan now?
So I think eggy bread with for Max, because he doesn't like sausages, he just wants Nutella with his eggy bread. So I'm going to put some Nutella in his bread.
Okay.
And then dip it in the egg mixture and pop it in the frying pan to cook. And hopefully he'll enjoy it. And Richard and I are going to have chipolata sausages, and we've bought maple syrup as well. So wish us luck.
I'm sure it is going to be delicious. Right, what's your verdict, Max, on your breakfast?
Amazing, just amazing, that's all. Amazing.
How is it, honey? Happy with your attempt?
Naughty but nice.
I agree. Really, really good. Really easy to do. Well, easy for me. I didn't do anything, but did the sausages. Suzanne did the eggy bread, Nutella, 2 slices of bread, Nutella in the middle, soaked in egg, fried on each side with maple syrup. Breakfast had, washing up done. We are now walking through a park. Here's the campsite here, and you may be able to see our van, but you probably can't see our van. Oh no, it's the other side of this hedge, isn't it? Anyway, so we're now going, firstly we're going to a swimming pool, so a little bit of fun on the water slides hopefully, but then it's only a 30-minute walk from this campsite into Salisbury. So after swimming we are going to an aeroplane, sorry, distractions. I know, it's quite low, isn't it?
It is, it must be like a light aircraft.
Yeah, the airport somewhere. So yes, after we've been in Salisbury, we're going to look around the city of Salisbury, and we have dinner booked at a local pub for 6 PM if we don't find anything in town. So So here we are, a trip to Salisbury would not be complete without a visit. to Salisbury Cathedral. So we haven't seen much here really. A couple of shops in the high street and that was it, but it was only a little walk in. We're going to head back to the campsite now, chill out for an hour before we go for tea. And I don't think we're cooking tonight. I think we're going to go to the pub. But we'll show you around as always, and thanks for sticking with us. Oh yeah, it's because I saw that gate down there where we went down last night. Okay, so we cheated. We were going to walk back, but Max, the little terror, convinced us otherwise. Hang on, darling. Oh, the Motor Caravanners Club. So I wonder if that's just motorhomes. Is there any tents in there?
My foot was safe, Daddy. My foot was safe.
Good save. Okay, we have just got off the bus. 5 minute X5. 15, not even 15 minutes. 5 minutes on the bus? Only 5 minutes, isn't it?
5 minutes.
And we're now back at the campsite. So we're hoping to pop into Salisbury tomorrow to see a little bit more, because it was a real flying visit. But we're now back at the campsite, so let's go and see the comfort of our van.
Hi. And the man was very nice and stopped the bus for us.
He did, didn't he, Max?
So he pressed
Someone said, we'll press the bell
You know
for you.
where the stop button is on the bus? Press that for us because we didn't know when to stop it.
And it made sure we didn't miss our stop, so here we are. Now we've got to do is make sure that we have a nice evening.
That was an easy stop off, wasn't it?
It was. Harvester, really good. Thank you, Gina. She looked after us. I know it's just a harvester, but we liked it. We liked it. So we're heading back now to our campsite on quite a busy road. I think we can go to halfway. We are crossing the road now. Let me just.
Stop.
Oh, this great car.
Sorry about that. So we're just crossing the road. Yeah, we had a really. Be careful, Max. He's going to go down the hill. Really good time in there. Yeah, it was, like I say, just a harvester, but good food, service was good, a couple of drinks, and we enjoyed it. So we're heading back to the campsite now to. Then what we're going to do? Max is desperate. We kept him with his iPad, didn't we?
The service was excellent.
The survey. We've got to thank Gina. Like I said, I think I might have said that already.
Poor Gina.
Poor Gina. Gina will help you. See Gina. Gina will help you. That's what everyone was saying. Gina will look after you.
It was busy, wasn't it?
It was busy. All the tables were really full up. All the tables were all booked out.
But it's like ideal for walking from the campsite.
Exactly. And that's
10-minute
what we're here
walk.
for. It's 10-minute walks. If you're at Salisbury Caravan and Camping and Caravan Club site, half an hour walk that way to Salisbury, 10-minute walk that way to the Harvester. And it's the first time we've been to Harvester for years.
Yeah,
and it was good. It was good.
Wood-fired pizza.
Oh, they did, yes.
But we had pizza last night.
We did, and our pizza's going to be nice.
That's why we thought we'll eat out, and we came prepared. We only said we'd eat one night at the campsite and the other night eating out. So we sort of booked there before.
So Gina.
We met Gina.
So heading back now. Not quite sure what we're going to do back to the campsite. So we'll either see you back there or see you in the morning for pack up. So maybe good night. Good morning, we are still here. It is the 27th, Saturday the 27th of, where are we, August, and we're still here at Cotswolds Wildlife Park. I was just googling something about Cotswolds Wildlife Park. We are not at Cotswolds Wildlife Park, we are at Salisbury, caravan and camping site in Salisbury. Beautiful morning again. Let me step out here quickly and but I just wanted to show you inside because we are, the last couple of days it's been really wet inside the awning. I mean, it's actually not so bad now. It's drying off at the outside, you can see. I mean, this is, I don't know if you can see, that is, it's wet on the glass areas, but oh, let's see if we can turn this up a bit. But yeah, so we're hoping that we can get it dried off before we pack it up, because I don't really want to, we're not going to be using it again for a few weeks. I don't really want to have to get it out and pump it up at home so it dries, because I don't think you should really put them away wet and leave them wet, because it could go musty or rotten or, you know, mouldy or something. So I might just flick around with an old towel, try and get the worst off, and hope the sun does its job in the next hour or two. But packing up today, heading off home. But we're going to check out the food van. I think there's breakfast here this morning, so we're going to go and have a look at that in a minute. Right, so that's the top, about as dry as I can get it. Hopefully that will do the job. But now we are going to look at what is going to be very misted up windows, I am sure. Oh yes, look at that. Very misty, Max, look at that. Well, not misty, just condensation. Maybe you should leave a window open or something to vent, but yeah. Oh, okay, leave that like that to dry out for a bit. I reckon it is also our elevation and our situation. We're on top of a mound here, and mound, a geographical proper term, but on top of a hill, very open, cool air up here, so it's probably got something to do with it, but it'll be fine. We'll get it packed up. And anyway, now we're going to go to the breakfast van. We are going to check out the breakfast van and hope they've got stuff left, because I think they finish in about half an hour, but I think we're going to be okay. Smells good.
Smells really good. Bacon sausage,
Egg and haggis.
Bacon sausage.
Oh, order around this. No, stay here, honey, I think. Where do we order?
Breakfast
All
bag.
of the back by the looks of it.
Yeah, I don't know if I fancy a haggis.
Okay, £12 for two that was. So £6. £6 for a sausage and egg bap. I think it's £4.50.
Which I could have made.
For, yeah, you could have made, but we haven't got sausages or baps or eggs.
No.
Oh, they have got eggs left, haven't we?
Eggs.
But yeah, hopefully it'll be good. Back to the van, put the kettle on, and tuck in.
We should...
I missed the sausage, let me try again.
How can you miss a sausage?
Alright,
Alright?
not bad. Oh, it's so hot. Packed up.
Poor Max doesn't like.
We've packed up. Max doesn't like camping. He does like camping, he doesn't like the work that goes with it. And it's not all work, but it's not all rainbows and unicorns either. There's washing up to do and things to pack up, and he's a kid and he just wants to play and be on his iPad, but he doesn't like it when we tell him otherwise. But we packed up here at Salisbury. I didn't say anything. Okay, like I was saying, that's it. Our time here at Salisbury is done. So if you watched this video, thank you so much. If you
Didn't watch this video.
didn't watch this video, then you won't be hearing this comment anyway, so thank you very much. And if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in our next video, which we think will be a bit of a special one, so we'll see you then. And that ends our, put my shades on. That ends our stay at the Caravan and Motorhome Club site. In fact, let me just put you going this way for 2 minutes. I just wanted to show you the little drive out there around the campsite, but yeah, that's it. Salisbury, our first camping and caravan club site. My verdict is that it was good. It was a busy one. It was a big one.
Well, that camper van's gone from.
It was a busy one.
Really busy.
Big one.
Really?
Lots of grass pictures.
They have different rules, don't they, for like compared to
for parking. We don't have to. They're not strict on their parking because it meant we could put our awning up.
Yeah, otherwise we wouldn't have been able to.
Facilities were alright, not quite as good as the Caravan and Motorhome Club site, in as much as push buttons and maybe not even as clean, but it was quite a busy site.
Yeah.
But definitely we'll go back. Definitely we'll stay again. Like to try a smaller one, maybe not so near a city.
It was nice, the views there were nice, and like the sunset, there was
yeah, we were quite high up, weren't we? Definitely.
Yeah, we are really well.
So yeah, that's it. So we have 3 more days until our next trip.
Woohoo!
In real life. If you're watching this,
I can't wait for our next trip.
Don't forget, this is now August, and you're probably watching this in November or something. So
Why November?
bear that in mind.
Because there's other videos to come out.
There's lots of videos to come out before this one that you may or may not have seen. But the next trip's going to be a good one.
I can't wait for the next one.
Can't wait for the next trip, so stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe, follow, share, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Make sure you subscribe, or this spider will be in your bed at night.